Hi everyone. When we open a normal settings page, we usually read it as a list on a screen. Inside the car cabin, the situation is different. Many settings are tied to a physical area around the user. Ambient light is understood through the area it changes inside the cabin. Sound mode works in the same way, because the user needs to know where the listening effect is being shaped. That is why this cover says settings become places. The setting is digital, but the result belongs to the physical cabin. Once the setting is placed inside the cabin model, the user does not have to imagine the result from a label. The screen shows the relationship between the control and the space around them. In these two screens, the function changes from ambient lights to sound mode, but the interface keeps using the cabin model as the main reference. This matters because the user is judging the result inside the cabin. A flat option panel can show which setting is selected, but the physical effect still has to be imagined. The cabin model reduces that extra step. For ambient light, the model connects the setting with the area that will visually change. The user can understand the lighting results through the cabin itself, instead of reading a mode name or building the scene in their head. For sound mode, the same structure makes an invisible effect easier to understand. Sound cannot be inspected like a color or a switch state. When the interface draws a sound field around the cabin, the user gets a visual clue before hearing the result. The stronger design decision here is the stable reference space. The function can change, but the user keeps reading the same cabin. That makes the interface feel more predictable, because every setting is attached to a place. This is why the 3D model works in this screen. It gives abstract settings a location. It turns a menu choice into a cabin relationship. The user can understand the result faster. I'm Paxton. I share automotive UX and intelligent cockpit design analysis here. If you have any thoughts or examples you want me to discuss, leave a comment. And if this topic interests you, welcome to subscribe.